Wow, amazing. Welcome to our suite. I'm JTTechie, and today we're going to be looking at our suite. It's our honeymoon special. This is at the LUX South Ari Atoll Resort in Maldives. So let's check it out. Here's the common area. You'll see it's already really beautiful right from the get-go. So let's check this out. If you come along over here, we've got our sink/water basin, right? You can wash your hands just by opening the water here. And water just miraculously comes out of this pipe out of nowhere. We've got a light around the mirror, really modern looking, right? Now let's check out here. We've got the shower, and you'll see right away this shower room is actually quite spacious. You've got two waterfall rain shower heads. Very nice. Now let's go back outside. Now let's check out the washroom here. This is one of the most modern toilets I've ever seen. And we've got these really nice chrome buttons and a control panel here which has various settings for you to spray water at your butt. Over here we've got this stool in case you want to sit down and watch your partner poo, and when you're done, we've got these rocks if you have the urge to do some rock climbing after. And now we've got a sliding door into our walk-in closet. Lots of space in here. We've got a coat hanger where the bar is well lit up. I've never seen that before. That's really nice. And then we've got this table here, which is great for changing a baby. I don't have a baby right now, so I just put all my crap here. And then lots of shelving space and your standard safe. Next, we've got a vanity table. And this is perfect for my wife to put all of her makeup related stuff over here so that it doesn't get all over the room just like in our home, right? So she can keep all her stuff over here in one spot. And next we've got the mini bar, okay? It's hidden behind here, which is perfect because in case you don't want to drink all the time, boom, you've got your fridge here loaded with beer, sodas, juices, coffee, right? And we've also got more booze down here. In case that's not enough, we've got all kinds of booze, right? And then you can just kind of, you know, glug glug and then go and hit the pool. We also have some distilled water which tastes super clean. I love that about this place. And we've got an assortment of wine. We've got a red, a white, and various candies, wasabi peas, and snacks. This is really nice here. It's a really nice touch. We've got the do not disturb door panel, or flip it around so that people can come in and fix your bed or restock your fridge and whatnot. And now this is where all the magic happens. Look how nice and beautiful and open this is. We've got our honeymoon special. We're actually celebrating our honeymoon, and you can see here they've given us a really beautiful bed decoration. You can see here it says enjoy your honeymoon. We've got some actually real flower petals. Yeah, those are real flower petals. Very nice touch. And now we'll just take a look at over here. This is another part of the honeymoon package. They've gifted us with a really nice fruit platter. We've got dragon fruit, pomegranate, some mini bananas, and we've got a bottle of complimentary champagne to help us celebrate. Beautiful. This was filled with ice earlier today, but it has melted since then. Again, very beautiful decoration. I love this love sign. I wish I could just take it home. I gotta find where they got this. It's just beautiful. Really nice decorations. And if you're not from Europe or anywhere from around here or near Maldives, you'll notice that the room has a bunch of these power outlets that's the European style. I'm from Canada, Toronto, as you know, so you'll need a universal power adapter if you're not from around here. Otherwise, we've also got USB ports all around the room as well, so that you can charge your phone and other mobile devices. Here we've got a really nice spacious seating area. Oh yeah, that's so nice, right? And we can watch TV here. You can take a look at various channels that they've got here. I'm listening to Mix, that's very lounge style, which is really nice. And if you are tired of watching TV on this beautiful curved Samsung screen, we've got a remote over here. And check this out. We've got a huge display for a projector. You can see there's the projector up over there on the wall, which can synchronize with your phone or any other device. Alright, I'm just going to send this back up. Very nice touch. Now here comes our favorite part of this room. Check this view out. Wow. Amazing. Let's go outside. Let's take a look. This is our flamingo floater. It doesn't come with the room, by the way, but this hanging seat is probably the main reason why we chose this specific villa suite over the others. This is the romantic pool water villa. You can see here, this is going to be amazing to look at stars, right? It's very spacious, beautiful. And then we've got some more seating here. We've got a really nice curved seat that looks like a futon of some sort. Got a love seat over here, very rustic look, right, at that. And then we've got our private infinity pool, which we cannot wait to swim in this later when the sun goes down a bit, because it's kind of hot right now. It's about 39 degrees Celsius right now, and it's currently September 6th, so it's still got the summer heat. And let's check out down here. Just steps away, we can actually walk down and go right into the ocean, literally. And then when you're done down there, or if you've got sand on your feet, you've got a little shower head here. You can kind of spray your feet or just kind of rinse off. Okay, it's very nice. And here are just a couple of our friends that we brought home from our Maldives trip. This is a blue whale shark along with our stingray here. They've got the LUX branding on them, as you can see. Very, very nice. And here's also another baby blue whale shark. This one was part of an Easter egg hunt on the island, and you get clues and then you win prizes. This was one of them. And this just had to be the best resort tropical experience that we've ever had. We can't wait to go back eventually one day, and I'm gonna put a link in the description down below to the resort. It's just been absolutely amazing food, amazing service, amazing atmosphere. Had absolutely no complaints. Everything was perfect. So if you're searching for perfection, be sure to check it out. Stay tuned for our next Maldives video. There aren't too many of them. I think maybe 3 or 4 maximum from our honeymoon. So be sure to check that out when it comes out. And until next time, keep leveling up guitar, and I'll see you in the next video.